Unicoi Gap after a couple days in town, heading up Rocky Mountain. Up we go. Alright, so going up Rocky Mountain. Slow as I go. So, like I say, going up Rocky Mountain. Not the Rocky Mountains, just Rocky Mountain. That's what they call it. From Unicoi Gap. So, we're at the top. So here we go. Away. "70-degree day today. It's really warm for this time of year. Making my way up Rocky Mountain, heading over to Trey Mountain. I don't know if I'll make it that far tonight or not, but we'll find out. Otherwise, yeah, just gonna keep going up. Made it up Rocky. There's a nice campsite up here. It's only 1 o'clock. I'll eat lunch and see if I can't go a little further maybe. I'm gonna drop the pack, eat some lunch. Call it good enough. Go a little further. All right, talk to you later. So I stopped on top of Rocky Mountain to get some lunch. Snickers and a tuna packet. Really nice day. Stopped at one of the campsites up here. I'm not sure how much further I'm gonna go, but I'm gonna keep going because it's only 1 o'clock. Just felt empty, like I needed some protein. So, well, finish out my lunch and head out. Hey, what do you know? The top is Rocky. Oh, yeah. That was a pretty good ascent. I still have Trey Mountain to do. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it tonight or not. I got a later start because the shuttle doesn't run until 11. So, I'm not the fastest uphill there is. So, I may have to stay at the campsite on this side of Trey versus going to the shelter. But that's okay too, because I heard it's getting to be that time of year where it's starting to get, a lot of kids and stuff. So it might be more peaceful on this side in the tent area, in my hammock. So we'll see. I'm not sure yet what I'm doing. For now, I'm just walking. I'll hop back on if I see. There's supposed to be some views up here. We'll see how good they are with the trees. All right, so I'm up here on top of Rocky Mountain. one of the, I guess they call it views or overlook. Looking out at the skyline. Leaving Sir Stop's lot, just had some chicken and dumplings with him. Gatorade. Dude, he's out here doing some trail magic. Good guy. Heading on down the trail, either gonna stop at the old cheese factory campsite or go to Trey Mountain. I'm not sure yet which. So I'll let you know when I get there. So I decided to set up at the old cheese factory campsite tonight instead of going the 2 miles uphill or up the mountain to Trey Mountain Shelter. A couple other guys here. We're all setting up our stuff. Only a 20-some% chance of rain, so I think I can get away with having a porch tonight. 70 degrees today, not too bad. So we're gonna go a little expensive tonight and try this for tonight for supper. That should give me a little bit of a boost. We'll see.